So this is your traffic system, you know, for you guys out there doing business online. You are promoting some things, right? But a lot of people out there, they suffer with traffic. They don't know how to get traffic or where to get traffic. You understand? Many of us, we have gone for paid traffic, where we use money to buy traffic, buy visitors, just to get people to your links. But mostly you realize that only few percentage really convert. You understand? Okay, if you've been following my own page for so long, you will realize that, you know, I've been promoting some things like, okay, this thing is gonna give you is gonna help you to build online business. You understand? We have promoted a lot, but I still say, okay, I keep my eyes out there, you understand, to help you find something that is gonna help you. You understand? This is your traffic system. Now, out. This traffic system came out this 2024. Okay? It's a new modern technology traffic system. You got nothing to do. Just get your link and put it in here. Get your link and put it in here, and you will see the magic happening. Don't do anything anymore. Okay? I've been using this traffic system for the past 6 months, and I've seen a hell of a result. And let me tell you something. Remember, I told you I will never promote something without me using it. Okay? I've tested it for real 6 months, and I've seen the result. Listen to what it says. I will play the video now.
The secret to any online marketing business is continual daily traffic. You can have the best offer in the world, the best free giveaway, or the best bonuses. But if nobody sees them, then they are worth nothing. That's why I always put traffic generation the number one priority for my business. To do that, I need to constantly search for brand new traffic sources. And today I'm unveiling another new one with my brand new Summer Traffic 2.0. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Gary Felstein,
Okay, you see,
we
I
are
will
going to
just
let
pause
you
it here.
place
Now,
any
you can
URL
come
of
to the
your
link
choice
and just
on
check
our brand new Summer
what
Traffic
exactly this video
2.0
is all
Rotator
about. Okay,
for
you will
free
see this
daily
video on
traffic
the link I will
every
put
single
under
day.
this video. Okay,
The traffic
but
is
what I'm
never
going to tell you
ending, and
is
it
that
works in any.
do not let this one pass you by. Okay, because you cannot be online searching and searching for traffic all through year by year, year after year. You are still in one place searching for traffic instead of you to be making that money. You understand? See, this is what it is. Okay, I cannot speak more. I can't say more. I can't say a lot. I can't say more, but I can tell you that the result is guaranteed. I tell you, just get this thing and get your links and put it in there. Okay, you can see what a lot of people have to say about this. You can see everything here. You see that there's no more SEO. Everything is real. No more paid traffic. Everything here is real. Okay, go give it a trial. Give it a trial. The front end is very cheap. The front end is very cheap, and if you want to escalate, you can upgrade to the rotator. That rotator will do the big magic for you. You understand? Okay, I got nothing much to say than to tell you that if you are online, you don't have this type of tool that generates you traffic 24 hours while you are sleeping, then I think, hey, we are still playing. We are still playing. Look at the price. Look at the price. Okay, you can use this price to eat, to drink coffee, eat different kind of junk foods. But when you're gonna invest it in something that's gonna liberate your own business online, I think you should consider it. Okay, so I will end this video now. The link will be under the video. You should come and check it out. This is what we are going to be promoting through this 2024. Okay, we got another new thing to promote. This is what we are going to be promoting in 2024. If you know that your own problem is all about traffic, 24 hours traffic generation even while you are sleeping, this works a lot for anything. It is working for my blog. It is working for ClickBank. It is working for your affiliate link. It is working for your short links. Just submit your URLs and forget about every other thing, and you will come back and thank me later. Traffic is the key. This is 24 hours traffic system.